age of 900. But after the flood, when there was meat eating already permitted, their lives have shortened. Moses lived for 120 years only. Why? Because there was already the eating of the meat. And of course, the eating of the cooking has already been introduced. Another experiment with Dr. Edward Howell, MD, said enzymes are catalysts for the hundreds of thousands of chemical reactions that occur throughout the body. They are essential for digestion and absorption of foods, as well as for production of cellular energy. Therefore, enzymes are essential for most of the building and rebuilding that goes constantly in the bodies. Now, I'd like to put this into perspective. When you eat the mani, the nutrients of the mani normally is actually mani or peanuts are proteins. Now, when you have your peanuts, eaten it raw, you have the peanuts have their own enzymes in it. So when you eat it raw, you get more nutrients than it is when it is cooked. Why? Because when you eat it raw, it's also already there, although it is a polymer, but it is they have their own enzymes in the system. In other words, hindi ka na magpa-release ng sarili mong enzyme kasi meron na sila. So your system will not be overworked. That is the concept. But it doesn't mean that if you are going to cook it, that it altogether lost. No, it's not. It only takes a longer time on your part to digest the food because it is polymerized. Lalo na, so in terms of the period of time at which you digest it, kanang yung sinala at yung prito o sa ito, fried na mani or tawag na